ethnically diverse regions one can imagine. Indian culture is remarkably fluid and the contacts between people frequent and productive. Very few cultures are so tied into the overall geography of their region. The temples of the medieval era were varied architectural styles. The temples and the religious places built then were symbolic of the ruler and his richness and devotion. The seeds of experimentation in religious architecture were sown in medieval temples. The pride of India, the Hindu temples being built in this modern era are more innovative in architectural styles. Despite this innovation, they behold the devotees just like ancient and medieval Hindu temples. These temples speak how Hindus adapt to the changes in technology while maintaining strands of conformity with the past. Any country's progress is incomplete without adequate infrastructure. Perhaps no one understands this better than Sperry Infrastructure and Developers. Therefore, they have shook hands with Zhejiang Provincial Second Light Industry Group Corporation, one of the Chinese leading infrastructures and constructions company, so that Sperry can build up its association with a diversified clientele on the pillars of reliability, resourcefulness, timely completion and quality construction. After setting the highest standards of architecture, design and planning for homes, offices and shopping malls, Sperry is now looking at playing a significant role in developing India's infrastructure. The company has also entered into a joint venture for different projects with different companies like Patel Constructions Company, Era Group of Companies, Advanced Construction. They are among one of India's leading construction companies to help build world-class infrastructure for a new India. Sperry Infrastructure and Developers. Sperry is a construction company with a tall vision and solid foundations. In this fast-changing international scenario, where buyers across the world are looking for newer, greener pastures, India's Sperry Infrastructure and Developers is gearing up to take challenges. Sperry Infrastructure and Developers have never stood still on the sands of time. More than a decade ago, the construction industry witnessed the rising of a new sun on the horizon. Since then, it has been a continuous saga of growth, as Sperry have moved from strength to strength, from one milestone to another. India initiated an ambitious reform program involving a shift from a controlled to an open market economy, showing signs of overheating because of basic infrastructure constraints, both physical and human. The annual level of investment in India on infrastructural facilities is projected to treble or rise even more from the current level of Rs 6,000 billion or 152 billion US dollars by 2005-2006. The total infrastructure investment requirements in India for the next 5 years again have been estimated about Rs 4,000 to 4,500 billion or 115 to 130 billion US dollars. The company does not rest on the past laurels. The company's cherished objective is to continue always at the peaks of the engineering professions like excellence, expediency and economy. The company is proud to say that it can carry out the construction works in keeping with these 3 E's. New ultra-mod commercial mall is coming up in Sector 50. The promoters of Mega Mall are Sperry Infrastructure and Developers, New Delhi. Sperry Infrastructure and Developers, one of the units of Sperry Plast Limited, having experience of more than 25 years. Sperry Plast Limited provides complete compounding solution in thermoplastics for the Indian and international markets. Understanding requirements while catering global customers, Sperry Plast has implemented internationally acclaimed SAP ERP systems throughout its operations. Sperry Sound Machines, having joint venture with Zhejiang Sound Plastic Machinery Company Limited, China, one of the earliest manufacturers of plastic injection molding machines, and another joint venture with Hangzhou Limited. Sperry Infrastructure and Developers is a professionally managed company which functions under the control of a board consisting of highly professional and dedicated people. Sperry Infrastructure and Developers, having wonderful experience of years in quality housing, commercial complexes, retail centers, office and multiplexes, etc. The company has a vision to achieve leadership status by focusing on performance and pursuit of excellence, and emerge as tomorrow's preferred construction champions for anyone seeking blue chip quality with dependability. The company has made its mission to be a technology-led, market-driven company committed to provide quality construction for its ever-growing customer base in a reliable, speedy and cost-effective manner. With the vision and mission clearly defined, the company has set very high goals of its performance to maintain quality standards with the primary objective of client satisfaction. With the confidence reposed by numerous clients and dedication shown by one and all in the company, Sperry Infrastructure and Developers has grown to become one of the largest civil contractors in the country, who is prepared to accept most challenging projects not only in the country but is also grooming itself for international market. We welcome projects of all sizes, and our team at Sperry Infrastructure and Developers is committed to deliver the highest level of quality and service to the esteemed clients, and through our product we want to prove the excellence of our efforts. With its sights on large-scale PSU projects and a track record of excellence, Sperry Infrastructures is currently exploring every avenue of growth. While we build our communities, our nation and India's future, we are continually reinforcing our own foundation. Our vision is our mission.